The next place we're going to come is to this quick trigger button. And the quick trigger button will allow you to create a new follow-up, to create a new contact, or to create a new note. Now, for creating a new follow-up, this will be for somebody who's already in your phone. Creating a new contact will be for somebody who's not in your phone. And creating a new note will be for somebody who's already in your phone. Let's go ahead and create a new follow-up. When we create a new follow-up, we're going to pick somebody who's in our phone right now, and then we're going to simply say today, and we're going to voice to text what it is that we're going to do.
Reach out to Jack and see if he wants to have coffee next Tuesday.
Now, this is actually the easiest way to start using the app, is to just simply create follow-ups with people that are already in your phone. And so what I normally suggest is to open up your calendar and look and see what you've got going on for the next 2 weeks. Phone calls, follow-ups, Zoom meetings, regular meetings, anything that you've already got scheduled, and simply just create a new follow-up for each one of those things. And when your follow-up comes up, that is a great time to do the highlights and the notes and those things on the person. What sometimes people end up doing is they try to do notes on like 60 or 70 of their contacts all at once, and it gets a little overwhelming. So the easiest way is just to schedule a new follow-up for each person that you've already got going on with meetings and phone calls, and then as they come up, complete their notes and their highlights, and eventually you'll have notes on everybody. Now we're going to create a new contact. And when we create a new contact, we're simply just going to put in a name. Let's say Lisa Harper. We'll add a phone number. You can even add an email. Lisa@lisa.com. Perfect. Now, this little area, add a photo. I love adding photos. The reason I love adding photos is because if you end up with like 10 Lisa Harpers that you've been working with on Facebook, it can get a little confusing. But if you add a photo, then it's very clear who the person is. So we can just choose a photo. We'll go right here, and then we'll click. Perfect. And then we'll hit done. Now, it's going to ask us about a note of what we know about Lisa. Let's say we just met her at Starbucks.
Just met Lisa at Starbucks, period. She's planning on moving to Fairmont, Indiana, period. Her husband's name is Mike, and she works as a teacher, period. I'm going to reach out to her tomorrow to ask if she wants to have coffee, period. I think she's an amazing lady who has a lot of talent, and I really want to get to know her more, period.
Perfect. Now we're just going to simply save. And again, this is where we would schedule. For the sake of you seeing the progression, I'm just going to go ahead and schedule today.
Reach out and ask her if she would like to have coffee.
We'll just save. Now, when it's time for her follow-up, she will show up right in this area right here, and then you'll be able to see that note. And then you'll also be able to complete your highlights section.
Lisa is a teacher. #teacher.
Now we'll hit save. And again, we've got our follow-up, a note, and a highlight. And it's that easy. Let us know if you have any questions. And remember, we do have coaching and training available for you. Just let us know if you're interested in learning more.